Guys, today marks the first video of the restoration of Holley. I know it's been quite a long minute since I posted. Well, as you know, I was a senior this year, graduated. Into this, spring semester, senior year, you're busy. So this is actually the first video of the teardown. Y'all will see another truck make an appearance in the background, but I'll make a video on that at a later date. For now, I want you to enjoy the kind of the ish starting of the restoration of Holley, my 1985 C10. All taken off right here. Now I'm gonna turn around the truck. We'll start working on some things on the backside. I'm gonna have Luke film that for me.
Hell yeah.
Anderson shit.
Shit, same.
So let's get this bad bitch turned around.
Hell yeah.
For me.
All right.
What?
You're gonna lose your drink. DP.
The magic sauce.
Dr.
Hell
Pepper. Sponsorship.
Yeah. Quit fucking lying. You wish.
No shit.
If we were sponsored on that shit,
I'd come.
we'd die from how much we would fucking drink. That shit was...
Alright, now working on the back.
Alrighty. Got my tools most up, put away. This is the work we got done on the back. Got the bumper off. Sitting back there. Got this trim off. Also sitting back there. And got this lower trim off, which is also sitting back there. As for the front, you already seen that, but we got all that off for the most part. Let me turn on some lights for y'all. It kind of looks like a goddamn race truck with like nothing back there, not gonna lie. Alright, so I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and I'll catch up back with that.
Man, long ass day. It's late. I'm tired. Hope you enjoyed the first video of me restoring Holley. And I know it's not much. Doesn't seem like much. But we did start at like 7. And the sun goes down around 9:30 now. So I mean, which is kind of late, not gonna lie. 9:30, that's a late ass sunset. But hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And like always, guys, stay country.